Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is about online study and quiz application. Now we can see the abstract of our project. So e-learning websites are nowadays growing enormously, as we all know that. All the techies mostly want to gain their knowledge by themselves by using e-learning websites. In our application we have designed the e-learning cum quiz test application. So here the user can able to learn easily without any login. He can able to access the documents and videos of all programming languages easily. For taking the test, user want to log in into the system. So it is more interactive. So quiz applications are mainly developed to test the self-learning skills. Not only quiz applications, nowadays all the learning websites have their own online based test. So in this project our e-learning has the documentation for the programming languages and also video tutorials that which can be watched in the online, either also in offline. Here in this application the quiz can be retrieved by using JSON data that which can be passed by using the AJAX statements. Now we can see the flow diagram of our project. So here the user first register into the system and can able to log in. So if he is successfully logged in, he can able to take the quiz and view the results. So if the login is failure, he can again able redirected to login page. So here the user can directly view documents and videos in the application. So the admin is going to log in into the system and he is going to upload the questions for the quiz test to the database, and also he can able to edit the page contents directly. So this is the overall flow diagram of our process. So thus e-learning and the quiz application creates a new way for learning purpose. Now we are going to see the running process of our project. So I am going to just run the process here. So we have named the application name as GoDev.
Hi, I want to welcome you.
So as we already told that we can able to watch the videos in offline too. So this is the offline video. So when I started, it just started to play, so I just paused here. It's about the tutorial of the Bootstrap. So this is our home page first. So it just gives the motivational quotes. So it's about features of our website and video tutorials. So video, if you want to see videos directly, you can able to go to videos. So this about last content page. So here we can going to have the documents, videos and quiz. So first we are going to see about the documents here. So when I get to the documents, it is going to show documents to learn. So that is we can have Java, Bootstrap, Python, PHP, ASP.NET, HTML, CSS documentations. So once if I click on Bootstrap documentation, it is going to show a page about a short description about the documentation. That is Bootstrap is free and open source front end like that. So if I want to read the full document, I am just going to download it here. So when I click on download, it is going to redirect and open me a PDF file. So this PDF file shows about the tutorial points, bootstraps. So it's a PDF file for. So here for Java also we have did the same. We can able to view the documentation for Java and for Python. So everything has the documentation here. So users can able to open it and they able to learn here easily with the help of the documentation. So if they need any video tutorials, they can able to go to videos pages and can able to see the videos.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to our first episode on how to code PHP. Now before we get into the actual coding,
web design tutorial for beginners.
And in this video we will see what is Java, why do we care about learning Java, and if time permits we will also see how we can install Java in our Windows operating system. So what is Java?
So here we can able to see the videos of every courses. These are all offline videos. So if you want to view the full tutorial of videos, we can just able to click on it and open. So it will redirect to the YouTube page about the full course path of the Bootstrap, Java, PHP and
This is
ASP.NET.
part 1 of Bootstrap tutorial.
So now we can see the quiz application part. So it is for login purpose and sign up purposes. So but before going here, we can just go admin part and we can see the admin. So when I click here admin, so admin part is open. So I'm just going to sign up with admin username and password. So we can able to see here about the languages that we are going to add the questions. So when I choose ASP, so it is going to be added in the ASP. When I choose Python, it's going to add it in the Python, PHP, like that. So we can able to give the questions option 1 options and answer. So answer is an option number, that is you should give either 1 or 2 or like that. So take a simple question that time. So full form of PHP. So I'm going to give some options. So I'm going to select the option as 1. Just going to select the language as PHP. I'm going to add the question. So when I add the question, it is added, and we are going to just log out from the system now. Okay. So now coming to the user part, I'm just going to sign up first. So I'm using a sample name. When I click on sign up, it is sign up. Now we are going to log into the system. So after the login, we can able to see that either what language we are going to take the test. So I'm just going to select PHP and go. So we can able to see the questions and time seconds. So here we have given 2 minutes time for attending the quiz question. So I'm going to select the options. So here I have just inserted 2 questions. Just now we have inserted this. So when I select it, it shows the score 1 out of 2. So we have selected 1 correct answer and 1 wrong answer here. So thus if we want to finish, we want to take the test, it's finished and redirected to the home page. So log out. So thus we can able to take the test of different languages and we can able to learn it. So this is the overall running process of our quiz application.
I want to welcome you to this course.
Overall running process of our quiz application. So we have just named the application name as GoDev. So thank you for watching the video.